This spelling game was kindly gifted to me and it's been such a great learning tool for my child. If you're looking for a hands-on, low-pressure way to help kids practice spelling and reading, this set really delivers. It comes with phonics flashcards, wooden letter tiles, dice, and even a storage bag, which makes it easy to keep everything organized. What I love most is that it really grows with your child. There are multiple levels of play, starting with beginner cards that give a little hint, all the way up to more advanced spelling without clues. It's easy to adjust based on your child's skill level so they can learn at their own pace. The wooden letter tiles are smooth, sturdy, and easy for little hands to use, and the cards are thick and durable, which holds up really well to lots of repeated play. It feels very Montessori inspired and focuses on learning through play without frustration or pressure. This game works great one-on-one, but it can also be played with multiple kids, which makes it perfect for families, homeschool setups, or even classroom use. Overall, it's an engaging, educational game that helps build spelling, reading, and confidence, and it's one I definitely recommend for preschoolers and early elementary kids.